some appropriate music for this, I think. Hello, Dave Arnold. Welcome to the microphone, my friend. Good to have you back.
Thank you, Roy. Good to be back.
And you're with the Canadian Museum of Flight. What a beautiful sound on that beach stagger wing, and it took a lot of years to rebuild that.
Ford, a DC-3, to a Firecat, and quite a few more. But inside is where we keep all our fabric aircraft. As I say, most of which we have rebuilt, and with one exception.
Salto. Did you hear it, folks? Now the trickiest part of Manfred's act is actually getting that Salto sailplane back on the ground. He started at about 3,500 feet above the ground, and he's using all sorts of energy management. He's going to pick up a little bit of airspeed, and I imagine he's going to try and get that Salto sailplane turned right around to manage a very gentle, soft approach to the airfield. And in just a second, I think you might just see a drogue chute pop out to slow the Salto down. You may not need it because the taxiway is just so long out there. And very gently, he has touched down right there. Ladies and gentlemen, have a big round of applause for Mr. Manfred Arrhenius in the Salto sailplane. Both past and present for their service in protecting our freedoms that we enjoy today. So folks, we're going to get swoop off the ground here. Look at this, folks. Don't get to see this very often. It is actually kind of cool. You can get a sense of the amount of thrust that is coming out of those engines as he does his takeoff roll. As a matter of fact, I understand that they don't often do full throttles, just a little bit. Don't worry, the 737 can handle it no problem. And once they get up a little bit higher, then they actually power up. And also